I am writing a new book all about getting traffic to your website. So naturally, I am using my own book launch planner. I want to make a big launch with this. So starting with foundations, I am brainstorming about my ideal reader, the ideal person to purchase this book. This is actually a tough one because I'm always saying niche down and you can't speak to everyone, but goodness gracious, doesn't everyone need more website traffic? So very hard to narrow it down. And thinking about where they're hanging out, like where online I should be focusing some attention to meet people who are interested in website traffic. So I'm just thinking through that. And I've used this planner for a fiction book, so I already have some notes in it, and now I'm just adding notes in a different color for this book. The next page is for writing the blurb and the hook, like the back cover copy, and again, I'm really struggling. So I'm brainstorming some ideas, some language, trying to figure out what words I want to use to tell people what this is about, because I don't know that many people are actually searching for how to get website traffic. And it's around this point that I realize that I need to do some market research. I need to actually find out what are the words that people are using to describe this problem. And that is going to make all of this much easier. So I take a break from the planner book and head over to my website to create a little market research survey. So here I am at Go High Level, and I have started making the market research survey, which has different slides, and you can put all these different kinds of texts and question boxes in there. So I figured out what questions I want to ask people, and it can be done anonymously, but I said, if you want to put in your email address, you can, so the email address is not required. I set it up so that if people do give their email address, they get a coupon code for once I have a course out. So the market research is kind of more for the intensive live course that I want to do that also is sort of in conjunction with the book. And so the market research will work for both. So I'm basically doing the survey more about the course, and then there's a coupon code if people want to purchase it when it comes out, or when the first cohort is. It's going to be a beta, so it'll already be discounted. And then I'll be able to use some of that language for the book as well. So here I've done this automation where when they submit it, they get the coupon code in the mail or in the email. And I had to set up the product for the beta course in order to get a coupon for that. So now the market research survey is ready. And heck, if you want to fill it out, it's in the description.